In a video I uploaded 2 days ago, I found out the solution to the wave equation with this fx and gx to be this using D'Alembert's formula. However, in a lot of problems they might ask you to verify the partial derivative of a wave equation by doing this. So first let's do the time derivatives. So the time derivatives, that's going to be ut xt. So it's pretty simple. We're going to basically differentiate this using partial derivatives. So we're basically going to ignore all the x terms, and I have an entire playlist on partial derivatives. So if you aren't aware of how to do it, head there. So the first differential of this is that. That should be a squared. And then we're going to differentiate it again. So that's going to be minus 6kx c squared. Now let's do the spatial derivative. So this is the x terms. So uxt is going to be, now we're differentiating all of this by x. So let's put this x back in. So it's going to be x minus x cubed minus 3xc squared t squared. And then let's do our first derivative. So that's going to equal k, the 1 minus, that should be 3. 1 minus 3x squared minus 3c squared t squared. And now let's do the second derivative. So it's going to be k minus 6x, which is equal to minus 6kx. So we now take this part and multiply it by c squared. So that is going to be c squared. And so that means if we take utt equals c squared uxx, it's going to be this, minus 6kx c squared equals c squared minus 6kx. So both sides are equal, therefore you have verified it. In a video I'm uploading in 3 days from now, I'm going to be doing a very, very difficult version of this partial derivative of a wave equation where gx is not equal to 0. Wow, that was fun.